Hello and welcome to Online Learning at West Kentucky Community and Technical College. This video will teach you how to log in to Blackboard to access your online learning orientation. In your browser bar, you will want to key in https://elearning.kctcs.edu. You will come to the main user page of Blackboard, where you will log in. You will use your username and password, that is your KCTCS username and password, to log into Blackboard. Your username will be your first initial, last name, and 4 numbers. And for my account, I have to use STU, but you will not, and then you will put in your password and click Login. You will come to the eCourse page, and you will have WKCTC 888 Dev Shell Blackboard Orientation. Go ahead and click on that link, and you will be coming into the actual orientation. Go ahead and you're going to start with announcements. I will be posting step-by-step instructions on how to navigate through your Blackboard course.